Hey YouTube, let's do William Joseph Cook. Kisses in the dark like diamonds in my heart. That's the first, how the song begins. The song's in the key of E, by the way. So even though we're using all like major sevens and minor sevens, jazzy R&B chords, the rules of the chords are still the same. So E, A, and B are going to be major, and everything else will be minor. In the key of E, it starts on A major 7, and it goes F sharp minor 7, B7, and then E major 7. That's the intro, and it's also like I don't know, part of the verse or some other part of the song. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4. All right, that's that part, and then it goes into a similar part where it's like. Right, so that second part is very similar to the first. It's this, we're going down, A major 7, G sharp minor 7, F sharp minor 7, and then it goes to E major 7. Hold me like they do in a French movie. Lay your hands on me. This little move here, E major. This is C. B. This is B minor at the 7th fret. We're just playing like this little minor 7 shape, and then we go. So it's just we have our fingers right here. Just take these fingers off, and it's kind of a reset. And then the only other part of the song is where just going from this is a way to play A major 7. It's at the 7th fret, and your root is here at the 5th fret. When he's in the video, I think these are the shapes he's playing. It's not synced up with the guitar. He's playing guitar and he's playing the chords, but it's just not synced up with the music. So we put A, E major 7, and then do that little reset on the B minor. Yeah, so but mostly that part of the song is just going from A major 7 to E major 7. All right, sorry if I forgot anything or left anything out, but that's all I remember for now. Doing the best I can. Thanks, bye.